Hey, welcome back. We're going to be continuing on with the CSMC, Canadian Senior Mathematics Contest for the 2012 year. So we'll be looking at question number 2. We did question number 1 in the last video. We're going to be looking at question number 2 today. All right. So, question number 2. There are 3 distinct real numbers, a, b, and c, that are solutions to the equation x cubed minus 4x equals 0. What is the value of the product a, b, c? Okay, straightforward enough. So what we should likely do is factor this factor this polynomial, find its roots, and multiply them together. Seems pretty simple. Let's get ourselves a brand new piece of paper. So, if I wanted to factor I want to find the roots a, b, and c, I have to first factor the polynomial. Alright. Now, factoring cubics, not the easiest thing in the world. Factoring quadratics, we have the quadratic formula to find roots. Fortunately, they logged us a very easy cubic. Both of these have a factor of x, so we can take that out. X squared minus 4 times x equals 0. And so we can continue on and factor it. We certainly could, or we could stop here. Why? Because a factor of x means 0 is a root. And that means that the product ABC, one of those has to be 0. You multiply by 0, you get 0 back. Okay, so we could finish off right there. So we just want to double check and finish off the factorization. We can do that. It's called difference of squares, or you could factor this guy just using the quadratic formula. It doesn't really matter. And we get to see that A, B, C, and D, A, B, and C are 0, 2, and negative 2. And we get 0 either way. But likely the factor of x is included so that if that catches your eye and you realize, oh, 0 is a root, we're done, you save yourself about 30 seconds to a minute. And that seemed kind of short. Was that all the question was asking for? What is the value of the product ABC? I think that was. So that was a nice little question. Certainly, I think it was a little shorter than question 1, which doesn't usually happen. That was quite nice. I guess they were trying to scare you with the cubic. Oh well. So that concludes question number 2 on the 2012 CSMC. And join me in the next video, if you would please, for question number 3. Or if you don't want to, you can skip over it to 4, 5, 6, or just go straight to part B. But yeah, join me for question number 3. At least that's what I'll be doing in the next video, question number 3.